Hey, what's up? This is Joe. This video is going to take you through the experience of working the 2024 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. After hanging out in the Black Hills National Forest for the past week or so, it was finally time to start work. Alright, so 8 a.m. on Tuesday, I'm on the J&P Cycles lot, just waiting for my boss to show up here with the truck. By the time Alan showed up, I started to get a feeling of deja vu, almost as if I'd done this before, perhaps in another life. One, two, three. One of the trickiest aspects of this whole operation is managing to get the display bikes out, preferably without falling clear off the lift gate. How am I doing?
Oh, you got another foot and a half, maybe about a foot.
Good.
Yeah, you can come on back another 8 inches. You're on there anyway.
Okay.
Going down.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Whoops, sorry.
Oh. After a long and hot setup day, we were ready to open for business the following morning. Got everything opened up. All the tool carts are relatively in decent shape, so ready to start the day. Hey, do you have any rally specials?
Hey, Joe.
What's going on,
I need
man?
a sticker.
What sticker?
Hey!
Hey, there he is.
Your sticker.
Okay,
New
I
sticker.
don't have any right now.
God damn you.
But I'll get you. I'll make sure to get you one next time.
I to be the first sticker on that bike.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for thinking of me. Let me dig through my stuff. I might have like one more left.
Okay.
So yeah. So you get the,
Cool little
the lucky
camera you
last
got.
sticker. Yeah.
You've been using that for a while?
Yeah, it's cool because I can get like POV footage. Usually people don't even notice, but you noticed right away. Probably the light gave it away.
Black, white, flashing red light. No.
Some people think it's a pacemaker. All right, so it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've been sleeping in the truck. There's like an air conditioned kind of a bunk up there. But we got this kind of like little kitchen area. And then up here is kind of like a little bunk with, you know, all of my kind of bedroll laid out. You know, I got an air conditioner. It works pretty well, although I do have like the thunderous roar of motorcycles going until like, you know, early in the morning kind of thing. But it's not too bad. So one of the first things I like to do early in the morning is kind of go through and get all my tools organized. Things have a way of just like getting scattered all over the place. So I like to have everything kind of nice and neat before I start the day. Okay, so an 11 is going to come right to the bottom of that tape measure. In other words, it's going to be that right there. Is that something you can see over comfortably? Versus a 13, I think is going to be a little too tall. That's going to be
that'll be too tall.
about right there.
Yeah.
The 11 is going to be right there.
We can try that.
Okay. Hey. Thank you, sir.
You too.
I appreciate that. Thanks for stopping by.
The back of the seat comes up and it's got two joints.
Alrighty, I'll take the yellow, please. Thank you, sir. Most days I wasn't really in the mood to do much after work except sit in the salon and read a book before passing out. But on occasion I took my boss up on his offer for a steak dinner in Belle Fourche. It was a nice change of pace from staring at the inside of the truck. Pretty enough to take a picture of.
That's a picture of it.
All right, so I'm at the Dakota Mart. Haven't really done a lot of filming this time. I've just been too tired. You know, we had a couple of like 100-degree days that I'm still kind of recovering from. So this will kind of give you sort of a rare early morning view of downtown Sturgis. What's that?
Showing up.
Oh yeah, that's right, man. We're taking over, brother. Yeah, I can do that.
I think Steve said he wanted it like this.
Like that?
Yeah. Put your clamp
Right there.
Like where mine is.
You want to tighten this side down?
Yeah, don't do anything.
About need a shorty on that one. I'll take the yellow copy.
You want to be
There's
looking
another
to
copy
it?
for you.
You are.
Wow, that's detailed. Hey, what are you doing?
Looking so close.
Hey, this man is covered with birds. What's going on?
Birdman Bobby on social.
There we go.
TikTok Birdman Bobby 1.
Like I was saying, I was usually too burned out from dealing with the heat and the crowds to really feel like doing much. But on the last Saturday, I made a point of checking out the freak show, which was downtown. Most of the people are already gone or on their way out, so it's time to start tearing this whole operation down. she wrote. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And as usual, I've included an optional donate link in the drop box for anybody that might like to contribute to this project. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.